just can't believe what I'm fucking seeing right now. A group of mobsters just attacked the police just a while back, and it's like chaos right now here. You can see a bunch of people just on the bridge, yeah, and I just saw them throwing stones at the police, and I think the police is shit scary right now. I can't fucking believe this. This is chaos, man. This is chaos. Oh my god. I can't believe what's happening right now. It's crazy. That's crazy. People on the bridge right now. That's London for you, baby. You got people in the buses who are like hiding right now because they move again for their drills. Can't believe what I saw right now. That's surely going on YouTube. That's crazy. You got helicopters coming in as well.